We call our CG as family women. We consist of women who are married. The husbands are here. Husbands are not here also, although they're here, but they're not in the couple ministry. Also, some single moms, separated also. And talagang our CG is really blessed with many good stories behind ng mga kababaihan na talaga namang makita mo na sobrang ang lalalim. We do our CG actually once a week. We already have 4 groups. So they have 8, other one is 6, that one is 4. And then once a month we combine and we call it as our big CG. And there we are like 20 plus. Of course, we start fellowship, eating together, and then we talk about